Hi, it's Irvin. Welcome back to my channel. Here with my sister Zavina. Say hi, Zavina.
Hi, Zavina.
So, my sister is going to help me unbox the Kinects.
Wow, Kinects.
Let's turn it around.
Are you guys excited?
Let's turn to the side. This Kinects package is the Ultimate 100 model set. And it has 863 pieces. That's a lot, isn't it?
Hello.
You can see this view of the side tells you how many pieces there are. So here, there are 9 pieces of these. There are 33 pieces of these. 50 of these. We are excited to build this.
Okay, guys, start to do it. Build it.
Okay. Oh, I got this tape. Help.
No,
I'm helping. Oh, good job. We already got it, Daddy.
Yay! Good helping, Savina.
Okay. Ooh, this feels special edition. Whoa! Whoa, look at this, guys. But I don't know, show them the instruction booklet.
Wow,
Wait,
that's a lot
here's
of
the
pieces.
instruction booklet. One bag. Another bag. Third bag. Fourth bag.
Wow.
This is the biggest. Here's what's inside. We got all the pieces.
And the red and green.
That's
Yep,
right.
Christmas.
Red
And we
and
also
green.
got the instruction booklet.
And white.
This time we're gonna pick one of the 100 models.
Yellow
Wow.
and green.
Let's go pick one.
And orange.
See which one I want.
They love this.
I have to be. Nope. This will be too hard. I want it to be short. Then we get to the final. Let's do the skateboarder, right? Skateboarder.
Oh, did you pick what you're going to build? Which one?
This.
This
Which one are you going to build?
This one, the
Skateboarder. Okay.
Okay, we'll just get the scissors and let's start building. First we gotta gather the pieces we need, then we can start.
So good.
Yep. Here comes. Need one more. One big white. 2 green.
Sabina, I thought you're going to help Kuya build it.
She's gonna just sit there because big
You're having
one.
snack first?
Savina, not yet.
Okay.
We already got that piece. We don't need any more. 2 rows. We don't need Savina. What do you get? That's
This is so good. And that is so good.
She means good. Okay, Savina, hold on. 4 of them. 1 here. Connects are so big here in this package.
Oh, boom.
Yeah, blue.
Exemption.
Oh, yeah, here are all the pieces. We got Savina.
1, 2, 3.
3 of those. $14. Don't know. It's kind of hard. See, we gotta dump a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
How many of the
12.
pieces do you need?
14,
14.
13, 14. God.
Okay.
Can we put some back because my mouse is in a mess? with the connects.
Right.
No, not yet, Savina. Just put it. Not yet. We don't need help yet. Don't.
Good helping, Sabina. Okay, give it to Kuya one at a time.
So it's easy. Okay, we're gonna be making that. Jump again. This is a line. Obviously, 1, 2. Don't shit, Savina. 4, 6, 7, 10.
You open this?
Yeah, with scissors. Take precaution when you use scissors, by the way.
At father and mom.
No, we're not gonna make father and mom yet.
And then mommy and daddy.
Not yet, Savina. You have to wait. Not yet. Come on. So now we are done the skateboard. All I had to do was just attach some stuff. It also rolls. It rolls more smooth on the carpet because these pieces are not like spiky, so it doesn't really work. See, building Connects is challenging, but I like it fun. It's a little harder than Legos, but you'll get used to it. So we're on the skateboard. Let's get the human.
And what's the next part?
Human. To those.
Right.
Putting on.
So the last piece?
Yep.
Wow. Then it's finished.
Okay, I think we're done.
Wow. Show me, Kuya. Wow, good job. You did a good job, Kuya. Then you will make more models, huh? There's more models, huh? There's only one for
Today.
out of 100 models you can make with Kinex.
Skateboard. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye. Please like and subscribe.